Okay, so this is video 12. Recognize the advantages and disadvantages of various network structures. 12.1 Identify the advantages and limitations of using cloud services for mobile application. So what are the advantages? I listed some advantages. Like one of them is flexibility. Mobile cloud computing allows accessing data from anywhere in the world, as long as you are connected to the internet. So you can access the application mobile data on any mobile. The second is multiple platform support. Mobile cloud computing offers multiple platforms, but you can easily access an application stored on the cloud regardless of the platform. You just have to be connected to the internet, and you can grab an application from the cloud and use it on any platform. So cost efficient. That is also cost efficient. Cloud computing is one of the most efficient methods to be used and maintained. Mobile cloud computing has a minimum upfront cost depending on the usage. Also, there are no fees charged or licensing and upgrades. The other advantage of that is a real-time data availability. You can get a real time with the mobile cloud computing. Since all your data is managed externally, you can access and upload your data in real time on your mobile device. What are the disadvantages of the mobile application like cloud mobile? So the first one is the data security. Data security is one of the major concerns of the cloud computing. Most of the time, mobile users provide sensitive information through the networks, and it's not protected, can cause major damages. So you need to choose most reliable software provider who can keep your data totally safe and secure. So that is one of the biggest concern for the customer. That's data breach. Right? So your data must be safe. Connectivity and performance issues. As the mobile cloud computing depends on the internet, it can affect your access and use. Sometimes you may feel that performance is not up to mark. It all depends on the network. Right? If you have a 2G, 4G, 3G, it depends on the network that how fast it connects. Okay, so 12.2 is identify advantages and limitation of using wide area network WAN. What that includes limited bandwidth areas, right? Advantages of WAN. So centralized IT infrastructure. Many consider that WAN's top advantage is that you need to buy email or file server on each office. Instead, you just have to set up at your head office data center. Setting up a wireless also simplifies server management, since you won't have to support backup or host physically protected server units. Also, setting up wireless provides significant economy of scale by providing a central pool of IT resource the whole company can tap into. Centralize two terms. Okay, so it cuts off the cost and increase the profit. In addition to emailing, the needs of INDS wireless network can cut cost and increase the profit a wide variety of other ways. For example, WANs eliminate or significantly reduce the cost of gathering the term of different offices in one location. Your marketing team in the United States can work closely with your manufacturing team in Germany, for example. So saving on the travel cost alone, cloud make investing wireless WAN a viable option to you. What are the disadvantages of the WAN? So its setup cost is high. So wireless LAN are complicated and complex, so they are rather expensive to set up. Obviously, the bigger wireless LAN, the costlier it is to set up. One reason that setup cost high is needs to connect far-flung remote areas, right? The other one is security concern. So WAN open the way certain types of internal security breaches such as unauthorized use, information theft, and malicious damage to files. While many companies have some security in place when it comes to the branches, they deploy the bulk of their security at their data centers to control the manage information sent to the locations. It also costs a maintenance issue. Maintaining WAN is a challenge, no doubt about it. Obviously, gathering that your data center will be up and operating 24/7 is the biggest maintenance challenge of all time. To keep your system running 24/7, that costs money and the maintenance at the same time. So 12.3 is evaluate network structure, basic cost, communication cost, and gravity. This just took an example of creating an administrative system. It ensures access to sufficient capacity on day-to-day emergency basis. This example for 4G network, which can be used in USA. Ensuring there is a mechanism in place to promote interoperability and openability of the network, and establishing funding mechanism to ensure the network is deployed and throughout the United States has necessary coverage, reliability, and redundancy. Okay, so as much as 6.5 billion capital funding would be required over a 10-year period to provide advanced public safety broadband network capabilities to the agencies collectively serve 99% all Americans. This 10 years estimate of 6.5 billion is the following like this. So this is the capital cost of whatever it takes to implement the system of the networks. So that's what it for the video 12. Thank you for watching.